Hey, Jam. So I'm learning a little bit more about the YouTube thumbnails, and what I'm realizing is the text really has to be in the center, and also I'm learning a little bit more how to use Paint. I didn't notice, but when you use, let's say this, when you use the box right there, you could fill it in with these different colors, right? So, anyways, I'm just showing you that for example. This is kind of just a video on a procedure of how to create thumbnails. So after we put the text more in the center, giving space on both sides as well, I've also learned that it's important to keep advertising your face and different people. Like if you're promoting different people on channels and stuff, which I thought was a really great idea too, because it allows us to hit different sectors on our channel. You know, if I'm talking about the growing, someone else is talking about cooking, someone else is talking about different things, it allows people to kind of look for different people maybe that they want to follow and look for. In addition to that, what I want to show you over here was, do you see how this is the thumbnail, and do you see how you have the face, but all the text is cut off, which doesn't motivate anyone to click on the thumbnail. Also, what I've also been realizing or learning as well is that I purchased this software, and I'm not sure if you can download it as well, but it's the IQZ, I think they call it, and you can I bought it through the Perfect Gardens Gmail account. So if you go on there, you download the software. It's, what do they call it? vidIQ. So go to, it's on, let me see if it's here. vidIQ. No, it's not there. So just if you go on to okay, so as you can see, it's in the Perfect Gardens one. So when you come here, you can download them. Download it into your YouTube channel on your side as well. From here, it looks like the thumbnail looks good, but it's not. And what I've been learning is, what I really like about this as well is, you come down to this section is compare thumbnail searches, and I type in fabric pot, and as you could see, I could see everyone else's, what they look like, which kind of gives me an idea of ours versus theirs. So, and so that's kind of a procedure. Once you come here and you see how everyone else is doing, you put a couple keywords in here. Basically, it's from there we find a picture that has my name. Obviously, the product in the background would be ideal, and then what I'm also realizing too, kind of like how you cut out mine and Barry's picture, we can use that as inserts into various pictures, which will allow us to create more thumbnails. So I don't have to actually be there. Like here, I actually was in the picture, but in this situation, it's a little different. So what I did now was, I am going to change the thumbnail, and I think this one just looks so much better. Let's go back over here for a second. Okay, so from here, as you can see, fabric pots, and I think that might make a huge difference. So let's go ahead and really quickly come over here and look at the rest of our thumbnails, because I definitely, that looks so much better than all the rest of the stuff. And it's making me, what it's making me want to do is go back and adjust our thumbnails dramatically. There's some of them that look good, but you see right here how it gets cut off. The words get cut off right here. So definitely want to finish up the website first. I'm getting excited. I'll start working on this, but I think this will be this might be your next project, is we come through and just start fixing these thumbnails. Sorry, the video's a little long.